use this product Nucleo? Well, to understand that question, you have to understand the challenge that we had in developing Nucleo. And what we really wanted to do was to take 12 different supplements that you would buy in a health shop over the counter and put it into one single 43 ingredient super shake. And then take the challenge even further by removing the chemical preservatives, not using any colorants, not using any dairy, no refined sugar, and making sure that without all of these things, excluding even gluten, that this would be a product that would be only beneficial to your health. But we took it even further. We took this product for testing at the Glycemic Index Foundation, and they've tested this product to have a low glycemic index, which means that it will give you sustained energy release and that you can use it as part of a weight loss program. The reason it took us 5 years to develop this product Nucleo was because we were looking for ingredients that had a scientific track record for health and wellness and for beneficial effects in the human body. We used 12 vitamins in Nucleo, of which the vitamin C is in 240% of the adult RDA. We use 12 minerals in Nucleo as well, of which the selenium is 100% of the adult RDA. And the minerals we specifically selected from a company in the United States that have amino acid chelate minerals that are patented because of their efficacy in the human body. They are not taken apart in the stomach, and they also have a high absorption rate. Something that was paramount in developing Nucleo was understanding intestinal health. We really added supplements that would enhance your intestinal or your intestine's ability to absorb nutrients. One of the things that we added was prebiotics. Now, prebiotics are the food for the good intestinal bacteria. Now, just think about this. After one broad-spectrum antibiotic, it takes your intestine 6 months to recover the good intestinal bacteria. And that is why most people do need either a probiotic supplement or a prebiotic supplement, which is the food for the good intestinal bacteria. Another way that we're supporting the intestine is to support the villi. Now, the villi are the small protrusions that you see on the inside of the intestine. Well, you won't see them. You have to see them under a microscope. And many people have damage to their villi, and thus they don't have proper absorption. Another problem is digestive enzymes. We've added digestive enzymes to Nucleo so that when you place the product in the 350 ml of water, it starts digesting itself. Another way that we've addressed intestinal health and absorption is the addition of a citrus extract. Now, we use this very unique citrus extract as a way of preserving the product. But another thing that it does, and this is a very positive thing for the intestine, is that it kills pathogenic bacteria. Now, that is bad bacteria. And what it also does, it promotes good intestinal bacterial growth in the intestine. Another issue with regards to intestinal health and healthy absorption are food allergies. Many people overlook this, but if you have a food allergy, you should try to find out which foods do give you allergies, because they can affect absorption and they can affect your general health because of your intestine's importance with regards to your immunity and your general well-being. Now, Nucleo does not contain the major allergy-giving substances that we normally find in foods like gluten and dairy and refined sugar. We've also added a very unique product called colostrum. Now, colostrum is the first milk that a cow gives after she has given birth to a calf. Now, obviously, just saying allergens, one would think, but this is a problem, but it's not. Because colostrum contains proline-rich polypeptides, the little bit of lactose sugar that is present in the colostrum is not a problem for the user. The reason why we put colostrum in Nucleo is because it helps a damaged intestine recover. And colostrum has been used in studies where people who use anti-inflammatories, like non-steroidal anti-inflammatories, who have problems with their intestine, then get better with the use of colostrum. Because colostrum contains immunoglobulins and lactoferrin, it also kills pathogenic or bad bacteria, which is good for your intestine. Then lastly, Nucleo contains a natural sanitizer. This is a product that if you do not have access to clean water and you have to use slightly contaminated water, this sanitizer will kill 10 to the power of 5 bacteria as you mix the product with water. Another goal that we set for ourselves in the production of Nucleo was to use supplements that are traditionally found in capsules and tablets and place them in this one product. One of these ingredients is lecithin. Now, lecithin is a derivative of soya and is wonderful brain food. We also add 4 high-dose amino acids, which are good for general well-being. We also add omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil that are produced through a cold process and are added in a high dosage in Nucleo. Another unique supplement that we decided to add to this product is spirulina. Now, you would imagine that spirulina does not work in a powder, while it works in Nucleo. And spirulina has a lot of research where it shows what a wonderful immune system booster and wellness booster this whole food supplement is. We've also decided to add a very unique energy supplement that we import from Europe. Now, what makes this unique is that Nucleo is the only product in South Africa that utilizes this particular energy supplement. When it comes to manufacturing, we could have used a normal food facility, but what we've decided to do is to use a Medicines Control Council approved facility in South Africa that has export rights to the United Kingdom and to Australia. So our manufacturing is of the highest quality. The next question that you may be asking yourself is, who can use Nucleo? Well, people who need more need Nucleo. People who have emotional stress, especially over long periods of time, need Nucleo. People who have chronic underlying illnesses. People who are recovering from surgery. If you are on a weight loss program, you can use Nucleo because of the low glycemic index. If you have a very strenuous exercise program, then Nucleo is also suitable for you. So how to determine the value of a product like this? What we did was we priced the ingredients in a box or a month's supply of Nucleo, looking at local manufacturers or local health shop suppliers here in South Africa. And the ingredients in a month's supply is worth 640 Rand. But what is the value of convenience of only having to use one product? What is the value of increased absorption? And what is the value of having a unique energy supplement that is only available in Nucleo in South Africa? This is the question that you have to ask yourself. But I trust that Nucleo will be of benefit to you.